the youth say no see the laws in our environments and the environments, they do with them. Because they look there, I don't know, say people have chemistry. You know, they can even invent drugs for themselves. Like example, this super glue. We never know super glue in drugs, but they convert some to take as drugs. They go do rape, you go do rape, or you do other things. No respect. Then in terms of authority, if officer can arrest somebody, the youth around that they made it in they aggravate. Instead of support the police, they support the one where they can arrest. And when you can't support the one can arrest, that police say or that officer is just there for one. It's like it's there for the criminal. So now the third one they wait for authority, they respect authority. And you know they uniform, you want molest now, we see the molest police, or you see the anyone, I don't put something not possible. Because if you see molest police, molest man, and the next one you want to make it transfer. So now somebody thinks that they don't understand themselves. If a person you know say like a citizen, as a citizen, really patriotic, person can for car arrest, go assist, can inside, what's happen? They show you say yes, not this. Alright, no longer na police. Go na police. That don't mean say what they say they accuse you, they don't come in accuse you. You go if you maybe you can go, they go free you. But when you say police or can arrest, oh this they go jail. No go the idea. Yeah. So now somebody say na sir.
Okay. So yes, somebody go on.
Please.
Okay.
Yes, for buttress in this respects for authority has been okay. Like we don't allege say youths they not get respect for authority. Authority here in this that just put her in the context, and not only me officer. Like even your community where you demand, or like when you probably mention say somebody will bid for you. But say within, let's say now this na classroom, me na class rep. Okay, let's say me na prefect na school. I don't be authority automatically. For any instruction what I give, think reasonably. Or if now say it no make sense, but like for maintaining authority, you go for adhere to that. Don't if you want correct me, wait for correct me, one will feel bad. You call me in a corner. But you don't think say that idea they make out. You don't think say if we go to this way, they go correct and that way they. So I would think reasonably I say yes, it makes sense. But like as an authority now, that fools me. They want to when I begin yell at me, hey, no. It shows no respect. Okay, let's take an instance social media, where some youths they attack personalities. Who they say on social media? Youths are the way they cause presidents, where they cause people that are in high and not called for. These are the things we are trying to bring up as an allegation against the youths. Chief College say they summon you. They want to see you. Me I need to go there. No. Go there. I could remember, let's just bring this scenario. A lady slapped incumbent, and this incumbent a belly woman. So what incumbent do? He go to an NA court. NA court invite her for camp. What he do? Because now female officer will invite her, when a native police, what he do? He slap him, the hairdressing, take a flinger. For court matter short, that matter they come up from NA, they go magistrate court. That was Kono. To court matter short, she was sentenced to 5 years imprisonment for something where for saying whether for double iron easy. But because she was aggressive, she wasn't in that moral, condition to respect authorities. So it dragged herself into trouble. So for court matter short in a nutshell, and not me say now we don't want to be authority. No. Even with you as well as also, if they say you're a leader, automatically you become an authority amongst your colleagues. They need to respect you. Therefore, respect you. But if they attempt for disregard you, if you talk something, they give you back talk, no respect. And when that happen, chaos the day. And when chaos happen, this man are youth, because like me not to youth again, me an adult. What did they happen? And the show say me a man. This man say, so we come together to go on a problem. So now this we want make una know say yes, for try for avoid that. Otherwise, they come in conflict with the law. And when that happens, you go blame the police. The police just they execute a duty as prescribed. in the Constitution of Sierra Leone. So,
yeah, we want to say thank you, but I think Una Seven get something to say just now. Because what we will look at also, I think Una the stress on the youth, as well as the youth themselves don't right for put in our bottom. We not really talk about also. Yes. So since we don't talk about the youth them, don't talk about what in themselves say about Una.